All right, guys, I was told that this allulose sugar alternative is a great option to turn diet sodas into slushy drinks in your slushy machine. So we have this slushy machine. We absolutely love it. But sugar-free sodas, the freezing point isn't right, and they say it won't work, but you can add allulose. So I asked ChatGPT. It said half a cup of allulose to 3 cans of diet soda. I did heat up half of one of my cans of diet soda to try to dissolve this allulose first. And you're going to see with me if this stuff is worth buying for your slushy machine. This looks like a very fine sugar. Pour it in here. Whoa, that fizzed up, didn't it? That fizzed up. I'm going to stir it. Hold on. I just want to try a little bit of this and tell you how I think it tastes. Erythritol is probably my favorite fake sugar. That kind of tastes similar to erythritol. And a little bit like xylitol. It dissolved in this super duper easy. I don't know as if I needed to try to dissolve it ahead of time because it dissolved super easy. So, okay, I put half a cup of allulose in there. We're going to pour, this is just some of the diet root beer and these other 3 cans in my slushy machine. And see if it will slush. Diet sodas usually, it is just a little bit in there. A little bit's not dissolved. Diet sodas usually don't slush. Let's see if allulose is the key. I'll be back after I let this run for a little bit. Okay, guys, I just turned it on. Again, this is 3 cans of diet soda and half a cup of allulose. Allulose is a sugar replacement. It's keto friendly. You usually replace it in baking for 1-to-1 with cookies and stuff. I have not tried baking with allulose. I want it for my slushy machine, so this is a review on if this really can help you turn your diet sodas into slushies. Trying to show you in the machine. It's definitely slushing some. Okay, so this definitely works. We have slushy root beer. It tastes just like a Diet A&W root beer. This is worth it. I will say I want to try one little hack. Hold on. I heard you can add a little bit of heavy whipping cream and then it tastes like a root beer float. So let's mix it in there. Let's try the creamy one. Also super slushy. I think it's even better. Hold on. Root beer slushy, sugar-free.
It's good.
Root beer float slushy, sugar-free. Which one do you like better?
I think I like the root beer float. It's good.
I do too. So if you want to make sugar-free slushies, buy allulose. That's all it took. Half a cup of allulose with 3 cans of diet soda.